guys, so we are back to this house again. If you remember, maybe about a year ago, we did a cool seal to it, and all this was all tore up. This was an absolute mess. Excuse me. From here all the way back was just a big gaping hole. This is the one that is missing a good portion of the gutters. The gutters are just rotted off in a lot of places. So all we could really do is just do our best at cool sealing the top of this thing. I'll show you here in a minute what I'm talking about with the gutters. They're deteriorated. I'm sure if you look up at your gutters, you probably had the same issue. There's a part of a gutter here. It's just broken all the way down. It's just gone all the way down through here. So this roof is in super bad shape, and not to mention they have this big wide gapping hole over their back door. Not sure why they would do that, but the leak that they had, even after we cool sealed it, but you know, cool seal, you can't guarantee cool sealed, but you always do the best you can. But I knew there was a problem area in the front. We're gonna go look. Yeah, on the video that we made of the cool seal job, I showed that particular part of the roof. Had a pretty good hole. We filled it in pretty good though with some caulking before we cool sealed it. So he said right over the door in here. So, oh yeah, the gutters over here are in the same situation. And if you look at your gutters, they're probably pretty much the same way. They just rotted off. So that's getting really close to inside of your house when they start rotting off, because they will leak right down the walls. Yeah. Now this one here, we cut it. You wouldn't believe what it looked like before we got here, but yeah, there's something going on here. It's been getting done for quite a while. I do remember something here. We were here before. I'm not sure if that's a hole or not.
Why do you do that for?
Huh?
Why do you do that for?
I don't know. I'm thinking this is, we covered this. See, somebody had put that silver coat on it.
Oh, okay, okay.
It was silver coated before. And somebody's been trying to fix this spot right here because they've had this issue. So, I mean, they got trees hitting this thing all over the place. Look at that big dent back there.
Yeah.
Big old dent right there. Bad
He
one.
said center of the door there, right?
Yeah, we got the key. So, the seam look bad. That is the seam. I know these seams are.
This week. This week right here.
I know it.
It's supposed to.
Well, let's take a look on the inside, Paul. Yeah, that stain here has been there for a long time. That didn't happen last week. Yeah, I see it down there. Yeah. So this is not the first time this thing has leaked. I think he's got a lot of problems. You can hear the floor. What? Leak down there? Oh yeah. Yeah, I know. This whole edge is rotted. I mean, literally is rotted off, and all on the edges because of no gutters, and it's rotted. This has been going on for a long time, Paul. Yeah. The gutters are rotted off. He needs to fix that immediately. He needs a new roof on this thing. Look, you can tell it's been getting wetter. Look at that. Stained.
Right here.
Yeah, it's all over the place. He needs a roof on this really bad because that's all been getting wet. And look over the door.
Yeah.
See that? I don't know who built this door in.
You got one coming in the back of the bedroom too.
A hole?
Yeah.
Leak?
Yeah.
This hallway floor is bad too. Yeah, it leaks back here. This floor is bad right under my feet.
Oh, yeah. Right here.
This whole house needs to be redone.
That one spot.
Where?
Clorox.
Oh yeah, yep. Oh yeah.
That's a Clorox spot.
That's Clorox. Yeah.
You hear that?
Yeah. So.
Hide the spot.
Yeah. So they've got a lot of problems. The floor is throughout, from
Yeah.
what I'm feeling.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah. Yes. Rotted. Don't know what's under this linoleum. I'm guessing.
You know what's under that linoleum? That particle board.
I can't tell it. What's right there? Can't tell. I think they might have did some work in this hall.
Right.
But it's still leaking around that door.
Probably put plywood down.
They put plywood down there. Yeah, they've been having issues for a long time.
Oh, yeah. How about spider webs?
Don't worry about that. Yeah, unfortunately, they need a roof badly, but they need their floors fixed too. Yeah, need the floors fixed. 'Cause,
Hey, fix the walls first.
yeah.
Don't fix the walls, you ain't gonna do no good.
Yeah, I know, but it's a lot of money.
The roof,
They're gonna have a lot of money invested in this.
you don't fix the roof, you can't.
Look at that. You can tell it's been getting wet
I see it.
all the way down through there. The whole entire edge right there has been getting wet for probably quite some time. I mean, it's, look at that. You can literally see it in the trim board. The colors of it, where the water made the grains stand out like that. So, yeah. So they've been having issues here for a long, long time. And
Come in the bathroom.
problem is trying to repair something like this. You have to do the floors, but you also need to do the roof. So, for the cost of all that, I'm not sure which way you'd want to go. You can hear these floors are bad.
Running down.
Oh, it's running right in the window. Yep, running right down to the tub. At least it's going in the tub.
Yeah, right. Broke each other.
Oh, the wall's messed up.
Yeah. Yeah, wall's gone.
All of that wall is messed up. Oh my goodness. Yeah, well, that's the problem with leaks, man.
No overhang.
Goodness gracious.
No overhang.
Huh?
No overhang.
Yeah, no overhang, nothing. Their gutter's gone. Oh,
No overhang.
it's been leaking right here at the door. Water's just going this way, and that leak right there is very old.
I say that, but it's coming this way.
Come what way?
There's no water spot here.
No. So what's coming this way,
That water spot's coming this way.
you think?
Well, coming up underneath the door.
Yeah, I think the door's
That's
leaking.
back there on top.
Yeah, that's stupid. Yeah, so, yeah, that's old. Same. Oh, my word. Yeah, that's always a problem. So at the doorway, oh my goodness, the doorway comes above the door.
Over top.
Oh my word. Why would you do that? Wow, these are things that you just find. This is, so when it's raining, they taped it too, yeah, trying to keep the water out. So when it's raining, it's just splashing on that door constantly, and then water's going in here, and it's affecting their floors. What do you see out here? Oh yeah.
Water come off this corner.
Oh yeah. So somebody put a piece of metal over this thing? Oh my word, Paul! Well, no wonder it's leaking. No wonder the floors is bad. But yeah, the gutters are just trashed. Are you kidding me? Oh, that's a hole all the way in there. I'm touching wood.
That's stud.
I touched the stud, yeah. That's terrible. So somebody put this door in for them. What the heck? They changed it around.
Yeah.
Oh, all kind of crazy stuff been done here. But these gutters are the reason why their wall leaks. Is the gutters are non-existent. You can see where parts of them are still there, but then you look right past that point and they're gone. They're gone. And even these ones are rusted. You can see holes all in
You
them.
got gutters, you got holes. Especially when you rip it out.
Yeah, that's
Screws
pretty
rip it
bad.
out.
So there's a lot of stuff that needs to be done here. The house is settling, Paul. Look at that. That's why it's lower.
Yeah.
That's why the house is lower than the deck.
Yeah.
The house settled. I wouldn't dare to do a floor like this. I'm gonna look under that edge right there. It don't look good.
No, it's being destroyed.
Oh no, look at that.
Yeah, here.
Squirrels.
Yeah.
Oh, I bet it's unbelievable under there.
Yeah.
You can tell the house is settling because all the siding, underpinning is bulging.
Blowing.
If you have a mobile home and you're in this situation right now, what's going on here, Paul? It's pushing the siding apart. Oh, did they have to replace a
Yeah,
piece?
that was buckling.
What in the world? It was buckling, and it's
Roll it out.
come out of the groove. It had to come out of the groove.
Wow. Put it back in the groove.
No, they couldn't put it back in. Separated, Paul. That big hole. So they just screwed it. Screwed it. More screws. Dang. But this house has definitely had to drop because who would build their screen door at the porch level? This just doesn't make sense. Water's just flooding in there.
You know it's dropped this.
It's flooding. Yeah. Yep, so this is something that happens over a long period of time, obviously. Yeah. They need a roof and they need the whole floor repaired. That has like been there for quite some time. It's not from this year, that's for sure. And somebody's already tried to spray it at one time. That's all spray and not recently, that's been a while ago. Anyway, that's what you got here. Yes, sir.
Right here.
Top.
One band right here. Sag down. Go back up and sag back down again. That's it.
Yeah,
Right there, that white seam.
I see it.
That's something. In the very end, something.
Look at that. It is. I can see the big dip. And it made it buckle at the bottom right there. Look how it opened up the bottom.
You see the metal?
Yeah, I see it opened up the bottom. You know, you do a floor in this thing here, you have to run with, and end up with floor joists and
You got jacked outside the edge.
walls.
Put walls down here.
Yeah, it's too much work, Paul. Yeah, it would have to be all the way around. You'd have to go into this house and build a knee wall all the way around this thing to the ground, up to the floor. And I say that because the house is falling already.
Sinking.
It's sinking. The house is sinking, and all of the underpinning is bowed terribly. I think it's 1980s something house. So if you have this kind of situation going on, and you don't take care of things and do it properly, that right there is just, I don't know who's been working on this house, but they're not doing a very good job. I'll be honest with you. And listen when you walk through this house, the whole floor. Listen. Oh, my God. Oh. Yeah, it's scary. And without knowing what's underneath this floor that somebody's already installed, it's hard to give a price because I don't know what I'm dealing with. That doesn't sound so bad in here. Don't seem to be bad. And this hallway has been done, although the back door is leaking terrible. Very bad, it's leaking. And you can see that right down here on the floor. Plus you can see light outside, so that's telling you right there. But yeah, you can see down here in the floor where the plywood is black. That's plywood and it shouldn't be black. It's been getting wet. So this floor had been replaced in this section, but they didn't fix the leak where you can see outside the door. And so it's still leaking. Didn't put the right size door in. And these leaks. Something's going on right here in this particular section that you can't see on camera.
I ain't never seen a door that small.
But it's in this bedroom. I've never seen a door that small either. But right in between this is a big sag in the bedroom. So my guess is the entire floor really needs... Oh my goodness, it might be soft over here too. I'm not sure what's going on. You can see maybe something here. Let's see what's going on here. I'll get a light. Here we go. Oh my goodness, Paul. It's carpeting on top of padding, on top of linoleum. So the original floor is still down here. Yeah. And they just tacked it. So you know it's the old one. It's got that particle board floor. Yeah. So underneath that is the particle board floor, and that's probably deteriorating because it's so old because the underneath, Paul, is getting moisture. So the whole floor is getting wet from underneath. Feel it there too? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What the heck is that? I feel it. A big lump bump right here. So the bathroom floor is bad too. All right, so it's an entire floor, but there's a lot of extra work involved in the layers. Yeah. Layers. This is about as bad as I've ever seen gutters. Oh shoot. I gotta turn the light off. Turn the light off. About the worst I've ever seen gutters, and just the fact that the siding is being buckled up because the house is sagging and the underpinning is staying in one spot, obviously. I gotta go in, Paul. Yeah, it's too bad. These things are great if you keep maintenance on them, but without maintenance, oh, we gotta go back inside. I left the light on. Oh, goodness. Yes, I did, Paul. Yeah, the roof is too far gone. I'm afraid to put. I would be afraid to put any more up there, Paul, until the floor was taken care of. All right, so even coming back here to the back, it even gets more scary. To be honest with you, look at the, God, I hope you can see that bow in that. Wow. Look at this one. Look at that. What's happening is the house is coming down and the underpinning is being forced up, so it's getting all kind of twisted. Probably have a couple inches drop on this end. Look how twisted up down here it is. They got a lot of problems with this house. It's been here for a lot of years and they've had a lot of good times out of it. But now it's getting to the point where it's going to be expensive to fix. Yeah. Yeah, it's not too good. Hard, huh? Yeah, look how it's bowed out. That's terrible. Bowed out like that just because the house is falling. Say it's run, huh? Look how wet it is. I bet it's soaking under there. My word. Paul's saying run. If he says run, run. It's that bad.
Put on your flashlight.
Flashlight? Oh, the band is rotten. The band is gone. Oh my goodness. No underbelly. The band is completely rotted out. What? Oh, this one here, they already replaced it. Oh, it's rotted all the way off, Paul. God, they've put out extra. What in the world did they do? Oh, this is scary. The whole floor is rotted out from under already. And it's particle board. Oh, yes. Oh, my goodness. No, 2x6. You got 2x6 floor, Joyce. Look in there. I know. That's somebody put that in there. Look it over there. 2x6. But look how rotted it is.
Hey, the only thing they done is stitched it onto the side of it.
Yes. Got a little piece, but that 2x6.
Hey.
Huh?
2332 plywood. OSB.
Oh, man.
Yeah. And look back up on it there.
Oh my word, look at that. The house sunk, so the porch stayed up.
Yep.
Oh my God. Yeah.
Hey, if that thing was nailed to the deck, they'd have held the house up.
I would have to pass on this whole job.
You know what I mean?
What's holding everything up personally.
You had to take two bottom ones aside and off right here.
Yeah.
Fix that band.
Right. Yeah, you'd have to take off
Then you had to build a knee wall.
Oh, that needs a knee wall bad.
Yeah.
I'd be scared to get under it too to start with, so I'm not doing that either. All right, unfortunately, they have a lot more to give them. So, did you turn the light off?
Yes, I did.
All right, so we're out of here. I wish I could help them, but sometimes you can, sometimes you can't.